Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Road Choice TV. I'm Justin, your host, and today we're going to talk about Road Choice fan clutches. This is the first of 3 fan clutch episodes, and in this episode I'm going to introduce our fan clutch types, tell you how to do a complete inspection, and wrap up with some Road Choice options when it's time for repair or replacement. The fan clutch is a vital part of a truck's engine cooling system. Periodic inspection and proactive maintenance of your fan clutch will prevent your truck from having overcooling or overheating issues at all operating conditions. The fan clutch is either on when cooling is needed or off when the engine cooling fan is not needed, resulting in less noise and reduced fuel consumption. Now there's a difference between older and newer fan clutch designs, and it basically comes down to how the clutch is engaged and disengaged. Here's the difference. Older style fan clutches are air engaged and spring disengaged. The downside here is if the truck loses air pressure, the clutch will disengage and the engine's going to overheat. Now because the clutch is disengaged, you can see the fan mounting disc will rotate by default. Newer fan clutch technology is spring engaged and air disengaged. Now this redesign provides a great safety feature. If the truck loses air pressure, the clutch simply defaults to fan on and the engine stays cool. You can see that this new clutch defaults to being engaged so it won't spin freely. Now Road Choice offers 2 types of fan clutches for today's trucks, on-off and 2-speed like this one. The latest technology on-off fan clutch has a fail-safe spring-engaged and air-disengaged design, as previously mentioned, to mitigate truck-down situations. This clutch is lightweight with high torque for turning larger fans, which makes it a great solution for high-heat applications. Our 2-speed fan clutch can change its speeds to optimize cooling under different conditions. This is ideal for applications with limited ram air, in which an on-off clutch would cycle excessively, reducing its life expectancy. The 2-speed fan clutch switches from a low-speed eddy current mode to a high-speed spring-actuated mode for superior cooling. Eddy current mode turns the fan at a low speed to provide residual cooling, which is preferable to an on-off fan clutch, which would be completely disengaged in its off mode. This offers the benefits of less fan cycling, additional fuel savings in most applications, a longer lasting fan clutch, and more available horsepower. Now both types of Road Choice fan clutches feature a simple design and low parts count for easy installation and maintenance. So how do you know if your fan clutch needs to be repaired or replaced? Well, do a thorough inspection at each PM or whenever you suspect that it's not functioning properly. Start by inspecting the friction liner for wear. On Road Choice DM, on-off, and 2-speed fan clutches, the total thickness of a new friction liner is 11/32 of an inch. If the liner is worn down to 1/4 inch, the friction liner needs to be replaced. The 2-speed design has ventilation holes that make the liner easy to see and measure. You'll do a similar measurement on our older style fan clutch, where 1/4 inch is the new friction liner thickness and 1/16 of an inch is considered worn out. Next, there are 2 bearings to check, the front bearing and the main pulley bearing. Now, in order to check the front bearing, make sure your fan clutch is disengaged. If you have a newer spring-engaged, air-disengaged fan clutch like these, you'll need to apply air pressure to it. The clutch should disengage and spin freely. Now you can check this in your truck as well without removing the fan clutch. Just make sure your engine is cool, turn the ignition on without starting the engine, and make sure your air system is charged to at least 90 psi. The fan clutch should disengage and spin freely. If you have an older air-engaged, spring-disengaged fan clutch, it should already be disengaged by default, making inspection easy. So now we can check for any play or roughness in the front bearing. To check the main pulley bearing, you'll need to start by removing the belt from the fan clutch, then rotate the pulley, feeling for any excessive bearing play or roughness. Finally, check the system air pressure. There should be a minimum of 90 psi before the solenoid and going to the clutch. So a regular inspection helps avoid problems like excessive noise, decreased engine performance, and serious damage from overheating. If your inspection turns up signs of trouble, you have two good options to restore proper fan clutch performance. You could repair your fan clutch using a Road Choice repair kit, or you could replace it with a Road Choice reman fan clutch. Now, if you have a workbench and some basic tools and you want to save a few bucks by doing some of the work yourself, then a repair kit is a great option to bring your fan clutch back to its optimum performance. A repair kit lets you quickly rebuild the fan clutch with high-quality materials and pre-assembled components that meet OEM standards. If you decide to replace your fan clutch, Road Choice offers a broad, all-makes selection of remanufactured fan clutches to fit virtually every truck on the road. So whether you're repairing or replacing, Road Choice fan clutch products are a superior choice for your engine cooling needs. We offer economical parts, kits, and clutches, all with OEM-approved quality that are proven for all applications. Now, if you found this first fan clutch episode helpful, don't miss episodes 2 and 3, where I'm going to guide you through fan clutch repairs using Road Choice kits. To learn more, you can always visit your nearest Road Choice parts counter, and remember to check out our products, catalogs, and videos at roadchoice.com. And if you have questions about this or any other Road Choice TV episode, send me an email to justin@roadchoice.com and I'll get you an answer. And be sure to like and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter for the latest Road Choice products, announcements, and special offers. Well, thanks for watching and keep coming back for new episodes. We're here to give you information and tips that you can put to use right away to keep your truck performing at its best.